Hi! In front of me is INFINIX Hot 20i, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this INFINIX. Begin by locating Recorder app. When you find it, click on it. Now choose Allow in the pop-ups and tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it or unpause it by tapping on the same one. In order to add a bookmark, click on this left one. And if you wish to end it and save it, on the right one. From here, you can also delete it right away by choosing Delete and confirming your choice in the pop-up. I will name it and go with Save Now. To access your recordings, click on this right button. To play one of them, just click on it. If you wish to get rid of it though, you need to go back, hold it, and click on Delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice by choosing Delete again. You can also go back, click on this gear icon at the top right corner next to Sound Recorder, and change file type whenever you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!